Grain futures had an impressive day with corn, soybeans, and wheat all posting gains. At the close, December corn futures were 7 cents higher to 416.5. November soybean futures 10 3/4 cents higher, settling at 991 3/4. Important to note that this Friday is November options expiration. That means first notice day is right around the corner, and volume will continue to shift from November futures out to the January contract. On the wheat side, December Chicago wheat 3 3/4 cents higher, settling at 576. We saw a flurry of flash sales on Monday morning for corn and soybeans. This morning, we saw one more, and that was for corn to the tune of 359,500 metric tons, or about 14 million bushels, and that was for delivery to Mexico for the 2024-2025 marketing year. Now, Monday's weekly export inspections for corn, that was just shy of 1 million metric tons, and that was in line with expectations. Yesterday's weekly crop progress report showed 65% of the U.S. corn crop is harvested. That's 2% ahead of expectations and well ahead of the average pace. Soybean harvest has reached 81% complete, and that was in line with expectations, but well ahead of the average pace of 67%. Lack of rainfall across the Midwest has aided in a speedy harvest, as there have been few weather delays across the country.